everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the wonderful world of Blooket. Blooket is a new game that is a combination of Kahoot and quizzes. The students are really enjoying playing Blooket because of the different game modes that they can play. And so I just wanted to share with you about what Blooket is and how you can use it in your classroom. So when you go to blooket.com, this will be your home screen. Once you're here, if you're a new teacher, you're going to go to the sign up option, and it's really easy for me. I just signed up with Google and it will automatically link everything to it, so it's nice and fast. Also, if I decide to use homework, it would automatically assign the homework into the Google Classroom for me, so it's really nice. The students also have the option of coming here and joining a game just by clicking the link, but they too can sign up as well. And the reason why the students are signing up is because the little characters, if they sign up, it would unlock different characters for them. And so they're really enjoying the different characters because they're worth more money, which is going to also help them during the game. So let's get started. Once you sign in, it tells you anything that's going on here in news, the sets that you create, so you can create your own content just like you can with quizzes and Kahoot. Those will be there. Any content that you save from someone else or use, if you save it to your favorites, it will be there. And then your homework assignments that you assign to your students, it will be in their homework. And any games that you use previously will be stored in your history. Now, once you are ready to kind of search around, look it for your content, go to the Discovery. And once you are on Discovery, just like Kahoot, you can search whatever content that you're looking for. So we're working on fractions in class, so I'm going to search fractions. Once you have typed in your content, it will appear. And so as you can see, we have many options for fractions. So I'm going to just select this one. And just like Kahoot, you have the option to preview the questions before you actually send it to the students, which I recommend everyone doing. And then I can save it as a favorite. I can flag it for late or report it. And then I can also make a duplicate. The kids have the options to searching content of their own. And then they can also play the solo mode. And then if you want to play the whole group in class, you can host the game. This is your game mode screen. Your game mode screen has different games that your students are allowed to play. So as you can see, there are many selections of games. In our classroom, right now, the favorites are Go Quest, Cafe, and Factory. But let's say you want just a quick assessment of what you just taught in your classroom or what your students have retained. Racing is really good for that. So once you select the game mode, you have two options to either host it as homework, and again, it will generate a link. You can place the link in whatever learning platform you're using. And then you can also host the game whole group. So once you go to host the game, you have two options here. You can either use the time method, which is what I use. I normally set it for about 5 minutes because I don't want to take long. We just do it every morning as a review. Or you can use the cash option, and that's where they have to reach a certain cash amount before the game is actually over. So that's a good one for homework. Select the mode that you want to play. Just like Kahoot, it will generate a code for you, and the students will just go to the Blooket, join game, and type in the code.